When I was a kid in the 70s, Ernesto Che Guevara was my hero. He fought for the rights of people.
Here was a guy just built for the task, one of the best that you've ever seen. Spanish blood and a touch of Basque, and wouldn't you know it, a drop of the green. A son on a motorcycle in the glen, Che Guevara's on the road again. Down in Argentina, such a mighty fine life. Little Che Guevara, you've got it mad. Living in a world of trouble or strife, serving your time at the medical trade. A son on a motorcycle in the glen, Che Guevara's on the road again. Norton 500, take him out of town. Gonna see how the world really lie. Poverty grind in the peasant town. Motorcycle journey done a dope in his eye. Son on a motorcycle in the glen, but Che Guevara's on the road again. Every day learning more and more. Come the day he meet Fidel, sailing towards the Cuban shore. Gonna give Batista hell. Son on a motorcycle in the glen, Che Guevara's on the road again. Who was this guy, Che Guevara? Everywhere you'll hear the cry. He leads his men into Santa Clara. This is a name that will never die. Son of the motorcycle in the glen, what Che Guevara's on the road again. Congo, Bolivia, spreading the word. CIA, they want him gone. They swear they'll stop the voice being heard. They kill the man, but the dream lives on. Son on a motorcycle in the glen, Che Guevara's on the road again. Here was a guy built for the task, one of the best that you've ever seen. Spanish blood, a touch of Basque, and wouldn't you know it, a drop of the green.
When you hear Eileen Webster singing Bread and Roses, you're not just listening to the performance of a song, you're listening to, a personal declaration, a personal political declaration.
Marching, marching in the beauty of the day, in a million darkened kitchens, in 1,000 mill of scray, they are touched with all the beauty that a sudden sun discloses. For the women hear us singing bread and roses, bread and roses. As we go marching, marching, unnumbered women dead, they go crying through our singing their ancient cry for bread. Small art or love or beauty, their drudging spirits knew. Yes, it's bread that we fight for, but we want roses too. As we go marching, marching, we battle too for men, for some of them are comrades, and we'll fight for them again. But our lives will not be sweated from birth until life closes, for the women hear us singing bread and roses, bread and roses. As we go marching, marching, we bring the better days, for the rising of the women aids the rising of the class. No more the drudge and idler tend that toil where one reposes, for the women hear us singing bread and roses, bread and roses.
That's why I think these songs are as subversive, more subversive than a bomb. A good song is more subversive than a bomb. And it comes together best when songs are written by and performed by those who have shared in the experience.
People would sing rebel songs, and that kept people's spirits up. Or you go to a funeral and somebody would get up and sing, and it unifies people. It keeps people together, people singing in one voice.
I keep on telling myself it's getting better. Don't let let the long days drag you down. I know the skies above are clearing. The stars will guide me back to town, where the lights shine so brightly, and the factory girls know just how to smile. There'll be flowers growing in the desert when I sail my boat home. When I sail my boat home, I know that I had lost direction. The strong winds blew me from the shore, but I know the tides below are changing. They'll take me back to land once more, and they'll all be there to greet me. A brass band playing on the sand. There'll be flowers growing in the desert when I sail my boat home. When I sail my boat home. I do not need lighthouse salvation. I need to find a fast way home. There are no maps out here to guide me. When you're out here, you're on your own. But I'm dreaming of the sunshine, dancing through the streets of Tripoli. There's a strange girl waiting by the market where the desert hits the sea. Where the desert hits the sea. I keep on telling myself, I keep on telling myself, I keep on telling myself it's getting better.